Are you looking for a way to make big money online? Have you heard about affiliate marketing but don't know where to start? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make big money with affiliate marketing. Welcome to this video where we will talk about how to make big money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products. And the best part is that you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. So, how can you make big money with affiliate marketing? Here are a few tips. Find the right niche. It's important to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand for products. This will help you to target the right audience and make more sales. Choose the right products. Once you've identified your niche, choose products that are in demand and have a high commission rate. This will help you to earn more money for each sale. Build a website. You'll need a website to promote your affiliate products. Make sure your website is user-friendly and provides valuable content to your visitors. Drive traffic. You'll need to drive traffic to your website to make sales. You can do this through SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Build relationships. Building relationships with your audience is key to success in affiliate marketing. Provide value and build trust with your audience, and they will be more likely to buy from you. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make big money online. By finding the right niche, choosing the right products, building a website, driving traffic, and building relationships with your audience, you can succeed in affiliate marketing and earn big money. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey today.